In this video, I'm going to show you 3 personalized AI design trends that are really starting to take off on Etsy. These are great because they're newer trends that are using AI and personalization, so they don't have a lot of competition in the Etsy marketplace yet. I'm going to show you exactly not only how to create these listings using AI, but also how you can automate the personalization on these listings without any design skills. If you're new here, I'm Chris, the founder of AnywherePOD. We help thousands of sellers every month grow and scale their print-on-demand stores with automation. So what we're going to show you here is based on what's actually working right now. Before we start creating anything, we want to make sure that these trends are actually working and selling right now. To do this, I like to use the Everbee Chrome extension because we can see the performance of any of the listings that are on Etsy to see how they are performing. I like to look for multiple listings, preferably newer listings that are consistently getting sales, that are all selling a similar style of design. That tells me that design is validated and that if I create something similar but with my own spin, I'm going to have a higher likelihood of success. Once I see those patterns, I know that's something that I can recreate with AI. For our examples today, these are custom personalized designs that you can create and automate using AI. Etsy has reported that 1 in 3 customers on Etsy are already searching for personalized designs, and the biggest trend across the board that we're seeing in 2026 for personalization is utilizing AI to modify a customer's image to really give it a unique handmade look. The first trend that I'm seeing right now is watercolor style designs. This is a design style that's showing up across multiple different products and multiple different niches that has been selling really well. Here's a great example of one that you can see on this wall art is selling 455 times every month. What I like seeing on these kind of listings is newer listings that are already getting really good sales. You can see this listing is only 5 months old and has already sold over 600 times. Here's another similar style watercolor design. This time is focused more on pet and family portraits. This one has sold almost 5,000 times and is currently selling 140 times every month. When I see this across multiple listings, that tells me this trend is really strong and it's something to take a look at to see if we can put our own spin on it. We don't want to exactly copy what's already out there in the marketplace, but we want to take elements and the style from that design and apply it somewhere else. Because if we just recreate the exact same thing that's already on Etsy, Etsy is not going to promote it in search results. The second one is a really fun style and something I'm seeing one of the biggest opportunities with, and that's custom silly faces. These are showing up more and more on Giftable products, especially with kid or baby faces. What's great with these is that since we're using AI, we are able to change the kids' facial expressions and do any kind of silly faces or even just random silly faces on any of these designs. Taking a look at a few of these designs that are selling really well, here's one example on pajama pants. The listing's only 11 months old and has already sold over 800 times. Here's another one on a coffee mug that is only 2 months old. This is a brand new listing, guys, and it's already sold over 200 times. And this is a great example of what I was talking about with being able to show really funny faces on the kids. Even if the kid or baby is not making that face, the AI can adjust the kid's face and have it make any silly expression that you want to. What's making this trend work is that it's super personalized and humorous. Most of the time, the more exaggerated or funny you can make it, the better it's going to perform. Now, this third trend is probably the most emotional one that we have because it is most commonly used in the memorial niche. And this trend is merge family photo designs, where you can take multiple images of family members, even deceased loved ones, and combine them into one family portrait. What's interesting with this one is it's something most people wouldn't even try because people think that it's complicated and not something that they're able to do, but that's where the power of AI is going to come in. Here are a couple of quick examples. This one's only 11 months old and has already sold almost 500 times in the last year. And here's another great listing that's only 4 months old and has already sold over 250 times. Now, with any of these design options, we're going to be able to automate the entire artwork and production process. So you're not going to have to manually run any of these customers' images. So we're going to set up not only automating our listing creation, but also we're not going to have to touch every single individual image from the customer. So we're going to be able to automate the order processing side as well. We're going to do this by adding our prompt to AnywherePOD, and then AnywherePOD is going to automatically apply that prompt to any image that the customer uploads, and then be able to automatically generate the artwork that's required by the print provider for fulfillment. So the first thing that we need to do is come up with a prompt that we're going to use that gets applied to our customer image. My favorite way to come up with the prompt is to take a screenshot of a similar design that you're wanting to recreate, and then we can put that into ChatGPT or whatever AI you want to use to help you generate the prompt. So we're just going to paste in a screenshot of the image here, and then we just want to tell it what we're creating, how we're creating it, and have it help us generate the prompt for us. I'm using Nano Banana so customers can upload an image. I want to take that customer's image and crop out only the face of the kid or baby that is in the photo. Then I want to isolate just their head and change their face into a really funny or silly expression. Use a random silly expression like cross-eyed, puffed out cheeks, and 3 other ones that you think would be funny to add, and have it randomly select between those silly expressions. Help me generate a prompt that would generate this style of image using Nano Banana. Now I'm going to be able to take this prompt that it helped me generate, and we can tweak that if we need to and use that as our prompt in AnywherePOD. If you can't see the entire prompt here, don't worry. Down below underneath the subscribe button, I have a link so you can get this entire prompt as well as a list of several other prompts that we've tried and tested that will work really well to create these types of images. You can find that in the description down below, or comment AI in the description and I'll send you the link. Now that we have our prompt created, we can start creating our product in AnywherePOD. In this case, we're going to create a golf towel. With Father's Day right around the corner, this is going to be a great product that will sell for Father's Day and have that really nice, funny, personalized element to it. So to create this product, we're going to come into AnywherePOD and we're going to look at our golf towels. And when we go to start designing, we're just going to upload a placeholder image that's similar to what we expect the customer to upload. So in this case, we're just going to upload a placeholder image of a kid or a baby that we can use in our design. And once we have this, we can make the image personalized. And right here, we're going to go to Apply AI Filter. This is going to allow us to paste in the prompt that we generated earlier. And we want to make sure to generate that with a transparent background. And all we need to do is click on Generate, and it's now going to apply this prompt so we can use this as a placeholder in our design. Okay, now that we have this image generated, what we want to do is turn this into a repeating pattern so that the image is repeated multiple times across the golf towel that we're creating. We can really easily set up our pattern by just clicking on Create Pattern here, and then make any adjustments to the layout so everything is positioned exactly how we want it to show up on the golf towel. Once we're done with that, we're just going to click on Create Product. Now this is going to create the product for us inside of AnywherePOD, where we can finalize any of the additional listing settings that we want to, like title and description and tags. We've covered that setup process in other videos, but the main thing that I wanted to cover here is also going to be the live preview process, because that's going to be important so your customer can upload their image before they even complete their purchase. So they're really going to have a strong likelihood to buy because they're going to know exactly what they're getting. So to enable our live previews, all we need to do is click on Enable Live Previews here at the top, and it's going to completely set up and configure those live previews for us on this product. Once that's available, you see we have our live preview link here that we can add to our personalization instructions that'll get sent over to the listing for us. So when the customer goes to purchase, part of the personalization instructions is going to be to have them go to this link, upload their photo, and then they will actually complete their purchase on Etsy. So here's what that process looks like. All they need to do is upload their photo. If you had other personalization elements on here that you wanted, like a name or any other elements, you could add those onto this form as well. In this case, it's just a photo upload. So all they need to do is upload their own photo, and it's going to automatically apply that prompt that we have set up to their image. Once they have that complete, all they need to do is continue with the purchase on Etsy, and we will automatically generate the correct print-ready artwork with the image that they generated already applied. I hope you found this video helpful. If you want to create listings like this, make sure to check the description down below or leave the comment AI, and we'll send you a link to a PDF that contains all of the prompts and instructions to be able to set up these types of listings for yourself. If you found this video useful, make sure to like and subscribe down below so you don't miss our next video.